mong makita.
Para sa walang forever. Pero wag daw kayong lumundag dyan kasi napaka lalim po doon. Oh my goodness. I am on the edge of this. Beautiful. This is wonderful God's creation. Hello po! Welcome to our channel. At kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, welcome kayo dito. At ngayon po, nandito kami sa SG Farm. Paanan ng Mount Matutum. Malamig yung ano ng hangin. The time 7 in the morning and we'll be having our breakfast. We are from Jensen pero pumunta kami dito because the word of mouth na maganda nga dito at totoo naman na maganda talaga. I will show you around. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo sa ating paglilibot. Tara, ikot na tayo. Taga saan kayo, ma'am? Taga saan kayo?
Taga Plangan Pledo.
Okay. Anong masasabi niyo sa place, ma'am?
Wala lang.
Your first time to be here?
No.
Or the tour guide?
Yeah. Tour guide na sana.
Amazing creation. It's a beautiful place.
Mga senyorita na.
Senyorita. Ay, ano ito, oh? Bing, oh?
Yeah, but strawberry.
Strawberries?
Yeah. Ayan na. Doon pa, marami.
Ay, tingnan mo, oh. Resourceful, creative. Ginawaan nila ng paraan. Ginamit nila for growing their strawberries. Oh. Nice. Concept. Helping with the environment. Oh, they're planting strawberries in an empty bottle. Bye, harvest.
Oh, kulit eh.
Buy, harvest your own vegetables. Morning. Parang sa foot na talaga kami ng Mount Matutum. Yan. Mount Matutum. And marami sila ditong mga views, mga nipahat. That's the best. And wow, yung kanilang chandelier is made of native materials. Native materials. See that? And yung kanilang upuan na magandang upuan. Yan. Yan yun. Chandelier. Very nice. Made of a, I think bamboo, yeah, bamboo. And itong bahay kubo. Wow, ang gaganda ng mga bahay kubo. Miniatures. Miniature Christmas village nila. Yan. Ang kanilang miniature Christmas village. Pwede dito coffee. Dyan. This is Bajang. Giant Bajang. Wow. Ganda naman itong Bajang ito. Plants. Wow, ganda naman ito, ate. Oh.
Yes, this is it. Wonderful God's creation. Wow. Yung sa ilalim ko, ano ito, yung ang tawag dito?
Cliff.
Cliff na cliff. Kailangan may harness pag mag-post ka dito. Yes guys, punta kayo dito at para yung mga hindi naka-move on, dito daw magpa-picture.
So we have to leave our slippers, footwear here, this side only. Kasi bawal sa restaurant nila ang footwear. Dito, magpaa-paa lang tayo. Here, oh. Meron silang mga trapo dito. Ayan, ganito ang setup ng kanilang table. It's a very nice piece of native product. Glass top and rattan. Yung kanilang table is made of parang pinagtagpi-tagpi na mga ritasong kahoy. Magandang idea. The table. What can you say about the place?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, amazing.
Ikaw, Miss, what can you say about this place?
Since this is already my second time,
Oh, really?
so but it's my first time on the breakfast time.
Oh.
So tapos na yung the first time was dinner. So
Wow.
it's breakfast. So
Wow.
the next time around would be lunch.
Wow, you come here
Looking forward.
just
Yeah.
for breakfast?
Yeah, of course, because we must enjoy life.
Correct.
But life is too short.
Correct.
So I would like to enjoy. Maybe next time I will bring my kids here. Maybe it's lunchtime.
Wow.
So it's scheduling.
Yes.
So thank you.
So the place is very recommendable. Recommendable.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. We thank you, and I'm thankful to my daughter that
You recommend the
she
place,
gave us
ma'am?
a surprise. I recommend that I'll be back here. I wish that I could go back here.
This is the life in the mountain. And I love it here. Minsan lang, punta kayo dito kasi ma-refresh ang mind nyo dito. Makita nyo yung view at the foot of Mount Matotong. Yeah. Yes, thank duyan. You. So unique, no? Kasi may duyan-duyan. Pwede na matulog. Wow. This is so homey. The menu is so homey. Ay, sorry, uy. Parang feel mo nasa bahay ka, nasa bundok, wow. 'Di ba? Vegetables, salad,
Native naman o.
Ano siya manikwan? Nagbati ni?
No, that's kangkong.
Gabi?
No, it's not.
Kamote tops. That's kamote tops and steamed kamote tops and okra. Native chicken adobo.
Yeah, and the
Omelette. The eggplant, tortang talong. And my favorite, palaya with egg.
Oh, ang palaya with egg. Oh, complete.
Complete.
Wait for the bulad.
There's one coming. The bulad is coming.
Danggit.
Wala na strawberry. This is the highlight of this farm. Mr. Guyabano. This is the concept of parang Japanese, no? Parang Japanese ito lang, no? Kaya nakaluhod, nakaupo. The concept of this restaurant. Ito yung kama na pinutol yung mga paa and then ginawang duyan. Sarap matulog dito. Ganda-ganda talaga dito, guys. Kamusta ka dyan, ma'am?
Okay lang, nag-aantay.
Nag-aantay ng forever.
Nag-aantay ng forever. Wow, ang ganda naman dyan. Katabi mo si Nara. Yan.
Amot. Thank you! Picture kayo, B, tatlo.